Jack Ziebell was a bloke we spoke about before the game as one of the stars of the North Melbourne side. And when it was there to be won early on, he kicked a magnificent goal from outside 50. He joins us live from the rooms. Jack, congratulations, 6 and zip. You're the class of 79 at the moment. That's how long it's been since the Kangas have had 6-0. It was a great win tonight in tough, hard finals-like atmosphere.
Yeah, it was obviously great to get the win. I thought it was a pretty even contribution across the team, and it was a bit of a scrap at times, but you know the boys dug deep and got the job done, and it's a nice position to be in 6-0, so it's all's good at the moment.
Jack, you're looking really handsome, the team right at the moment, and you dobbed a big goal yourself tonight, but the kick that actually got to you from Jared Waite, I think that was the best foot skills shown on the night.
Yeah, I think there might have been a few errors made tonight in terms of foot skills by both sides, but everything Wadey touches at the moment turns to gold. So he's going well, and yeah, it was a magnificent kick. I probably wasn't on, to tell the truth, but he gave me every chance to get the ball. So he's been outstanding for us the last 6 weeks, or the first 6 weeks of the season, and hopefully continue that form.
Well, Jack, you certainly finished off very nicely. Tell us about Lindsay Thomas. We've been speaking about him. It's great to have him back in the side and playing some really good football, but his first quarter was outstanding.
Daniel Wells.
Absolutely.
Sorry?
Yeah, Lindsay's super important for us. We know what he can do offensively. I don't think he's had a massive offensive impact over the last few weeks, but his defensive pressure he puts on is just absolutely outstanding. It's absolutely crucial to our side, and he's leading the way for us. So internally, within our four walls of the footy club, we're rating his games really, really highly, and he's performing really well.
I said the wrong name there. I meant Daniel Wells. Sorry, mate.
Give us your take on him as well.
Also going on.
You polished that question up beautifully. He says, thanks for trying to help me out.
Hey,
Jack.
Well, it's great to have Wellesley back as well, so he's going good.
Beautiful work.
Hey Jack, you had 80 less possessions and 10 inside 50s less and still win the game of football. That shows a really good high-class level of skill.
Yeah, well, that shows there's obviously a lot of room for improvement as well. It's important to get the ball inside 50, and I think we stuffed around with it a little bit and turned it over across their half-back line, which, we've got some tall key forwards that were on fire tonight. We just needed to give them more of an opportunity, and I think in the second half we did that, and the results showed for themselves.
Jack, the results, or the stats show that the Dogs lock the ball in their forward line really, really well. Did you go in with a different strategy to try and exit it out of there than what you normally would?
Yeah, I think the Bulldogs' defence play a pretty aggressive and attacking football. They like to come up in front of the forwards. A lot of teams get sucked into trying to stay at the back and get the easy one over the top, but we made a conscious effort to try and make it a contest this week. So I think the boys did that really well, and you saw Drewy made heaps of contests. Big Benny Brown and Gary Wade as well made some massive contests for us tonight, and really got the job done, which is great.
Hey, Jack, can you ask Jeff Walsh what he was saying to Dr. Peter McQueen at half-time? We couldn't quite lip-read it, but we could hear him. Did you see that one yet?
I haven't seen that, so I'm not too sure.
It'll be a good one for during the week. You can ask him to explain himself. He's starring. He's on Media Street at the moment, Walshy. He's got the big red face, and he's giving Dr. Peter McQueen a nice go, Jack. So we'll find out a little bit later on what was going on.
I just saw that then. I think he might have just been asking, just making sure everyone's okay and everyone's healthy.
Something like that. Yeah, well done, Jack. Good job, mate. Hey, Jack, congratulations, mate. Well played tonight. Hey, just tell me, when that ball came off your boot, it was like an exocet. It was magnificent. Did it feel good?
It's a nice feeling when you hit them sweet, so you take them when you can get them.
Yeah, well, mate, you certainly did. You put it right over the umpire's head, as they say. Congratulations. Enjoy the view from the top of the ladder.
Thanks, boys. Thanks for having me.